What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff, and in today's video I'm going to show you step by step how to do paper trading on the Webull app. Okay, so this came as a very highly requested video. Seems like over the past couple of weeks I've had 3 or 4 different people come in the comment section, maybe ask me how to use the paper trading side of Webull, and I've also had several people on Facebook and other social networks ask me about how to do paper trading. So I figured I would just go ahead and make a video to kind of serve all of those purposes all at once. So guys, please drop a like on this video. You know, every time you put a thumbs up on one of my videos, it really helps it rank up, therefore more people get to see it. And also guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I take a lot of subscriber requests. This video is a subscriber requested video, and I really try to put a lot of effort into helping everybody. Now let's get started. So one of the most important things in your investing journey, like I said, if you're just starting, just beginning guys, is to do paper trading, okay? So I have really encouraged a lot of people over the years who have not traded stocks or haven't done their own investing to start by paper trading first, okay? It is a really good way to practice buying and selling stocks. And even more importantly, I think for the more seasoned traders, the guys who have been buying and selling stocks for a while, it is the best way to practice shorting stocks. Because the advantage here, guys, it's not real money, okay? You can get all this practice and never spend a dime. Now look, I've been investing and trading stocks. This is my 17th year that I've been doing my own personal investing, and guys, I still paper trade, okay? I'm still always looking for a little advantage. How can I get a little better? Sometimes it's fun just to take some really wild risk, you know, via the paper trading route. Even the most experienced traders and investors, it is not a bad idea. Pretty much this is all you got to do, okay? So if you have not downloaded the Webull app, I'll have a link for that down in my comment section. Feel free to go ahead and open up an account and download the app, and your opening page is going to look something like this. You will have a little watch list, you know, right up here where the little white circle is. To get to the paper trading side, you just click on that right there, and that pulls up this page, guys. And as you can see, paper trading is listed right here in the middle, so click on that. Now this is cool, guys. They give you $1 million of fake money to trade with. And you basically have 3 tabs inside of the paper trading option. That is trade, orders, and school, okay? So this really is all you got to do, guys. You go right here and click on trade, and then put in a ticker symbol of a stock that you either want to buy or short. So let's just use Microsoft. And that is going to pull up a simulated quote for Microsoft. Now this is the same stock quote that you're going to get on a website, you know, and these stocks trade exactly the same as if you were using real money. Is, like I said, it's just simulation money. It's not real money. That's the great part about it. And you really have 2 basic options in here, okay? You can buy, and of course you can sell, okay? So the buy side, that's pretty self-explanatory. Of course, you're always going to want to use a limit order. For the duration, you can either use day or good till canceled. You can punch in your limit price, whatever you're willing to pay for 1 share of Microsoft. That's what you need to put into this bar. And then of course your quantity, okay? So I want to buy 100 shares of Microsoft. So everything is filled out, guys. You're going to click on buy. That is going to produce an open order. It's going to look a little something like this. Then go up to your little back arrow, click on that, and then go to your orders, and it should be inside there, okay? So see right there, that is your open order to buy 100 shares of Microsoft at 102.80. Now let's go through it, guys, and I'm going to show you how you would short a stock. So same thing, just click on trade. Let's use Microsoft again. Now this time, guys, what I want you to do is click on sell, okay? So now you are telling Webull that you want to short sell Microsoft, and it's the exact same process. You got a limit order. Of course, you can use a market order or a limit order. Of course, I always tell everyone to always use limit orders, okay? Same thing, the duration, you can either choose day or good till canceled. And then right here at the limit price, what price are you willing to short Microsoft at? So let's just say we're going to short Microsoft at $105, okay? Microsoft gets to $105, you want to go short on the stock. We're going to put in 100 shares. We're going to click OK, and then we're going to complete the order, okay? There's your order details right there. Now, being that the market is closed today, obviously these orders will not get filled and this will not happen. But if the market was running and those prices did get met, of course your orders will be filled and these stocks will be active in your account. So just arrow back out of this, go back to your orders. Now you have 2 orders in, okay? You have 1 to buy and 1 to short sell Microsoft, and that is it. So like I mentioned, guys, even if you don't have any extra money or you're not ready to trade, you can use my link down in the comments section. You will receive 1 free share of stock and you can start paper trading as soon as tomorrow if you'd like. So I highly suggest doing that, going ahead and kind of getting yourself comfortable with short selling, you know, getting some experience without spending any real money. So when you do take that leap and you are ready to finally start buying and selling and shorting stocks, you will have a pool of experience to pull from. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Drop me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you need help with anything else. And thank you so much for watching.